This is Guru Prasann from 3D Fully Design. Exploring a CHAKKULI making device in 3D. Oak wood body and inner brass plate. All three parts of the device. Material of construction, oak wood and brass plate. Approx dimensions in mm of the main part. This is a oak wood single piece item. Dimensions of top oak wood 2-piece item and inner brass plate with 8-fin star cut, which is 0.4 thick. Pre-visualizing the final assembly and animation with the actual pick. Pre-visualizing the final assembly and animation with the actual pick. We offer CAD tools trainings for students. Let's draw the skeleton sketch for the main part. This sketch is used for both material creation and material removal. Solidifying oak main part, full stock size 54 height. Main oak part, full stock size 200 by 76 by 54. Let's begin the material removal process. First, outer cut. Material removal process. Second, outer cut. Sketching for first inner cut. Material removal process, making first inner cut. The half cross-section view. Added arc cuts to the handle. Adding appropriate rounds and bevels to sharp edges. Applying red and black paint onto the cylindrical surface. So finished the main part. Using same sketch for oak top part. Oak full stock size 14 height. Material removal process, outer cut. Rounding and beveling the edges. Solidifying cylindrical disjoint piece and beveling the top edge. Drilled 2 holes for the nails. Let's insert nails to join disjoint pieces. Sketching and solidifying inner brass plate of 0.4 thick. Sketched and made 8 fins star cut for brass plate. CHAKKULI extrusion takes place from this cut. Let's assemble all the 3 parts. Inserted and placed the main part. Inserting and placed inner brass plate with proper mates and weaving the half cross section. Inserting and placed oak top part with proper mates and cross sectioned. Approx weight of the assembly 230 grams. Exploding the assembly. Animating the assembly. Assembly explosion animation. When this top part forced down, CHAKKULI forms in the spiral shape. So this exactly mimics the extrusion process. Finally, drawings made for manufacturing on a 3D fully designed template. Ultimate 3D realistic images. My 3D certifications.